we've been talking about safety distance, right? And how many new people do we have today? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the three of you are forgiven. The rest, they will answer the question. So, okay. When we say safety distance, what are we talking about? The distance between your car and the car in front of you. Not so. That is what? Your safety distance. Not so. Because our next class, tomorrow, we are going to be calculating this distance now with mathematics, right? It's not complicated. Man, not talk to me tomorrow, no class tomorrow, right? How to calculate this distance? Not so. Because this safety distance is what allows you, if you're following a car and then the car in front of you stops suddenly, that space that is left so that you can also stop without hitting the car. Not so. We have a method we call the Zion stop method. Stop, S-T-O-P. Not so. See tires on pavement, meaning from your sitting position, from the steering position. Not so. See the tires of the car in front of you, right? And see some pavement, meaning that you see the ground. Not so. And you are safe. It's enough, because normally it's supposed to be approximately 2 seconds. Now, how do you calculate 2 seconds? It becomes a problem. Not so good. So, but the bigger, the safer. And the easiest way to actually know if your distance is good enough is visually. Not so. From your, okay, look at this distance now. It's big, too big now. Okay, I will shift this car to the point where I will not lose these wheels, right? I have to see them and then see some of this ground. This is what is called pavement. So the stop stands, the S stands for C, T, tire, not so, O, on pavement, right? The stop method. So that is just a way to never forget. Huh? So, the secret, right, is about making sure that you never lose the wheels of the car in front of you. How is that distance? It's good now. Yes. It's just about never losing these wheels, right? Never lose the wheels of the car in front of you. You can see. Somebody sit there and look if you can see this. Once you see this with some of this star, it means you are fine, right? Because they ask, how do I know if I'm safe? With this, you are fine. This is above 2 seconds. You can see them now. Yes, your height is different from mine, but it works with everybody depending on your height. Not so. Then there is the red zone. Are we seeing this? The red zone. When you are in the car and you can only see about this number, right? It means that you are in the red zone. Always avoid that. Is the number plate you're seeing at this level. Let me shift it at the number plate level and you see.
And remember, this distance applies just on highway. This is a short. That's with the red zone.
Have you seen this one? This is what they call bumper to bumper. Sitting from there, all you can see is this number plate. Some people actually think it's safe. It's very dangerous. As soon as this person in front of you steps on the brake for one reason so ever, it could be a hole, it could be a bike that just popped up, it could be anything, right? So the person stomps on the brake. You have what? Approximately 1 second to react, right? We'll talk about it. SEDA, that's the way to calculate it. See, analyze, decide, act. That's what we are going to talk about tomorrow, right? But this stop method or the Zion stop method happens only where? In urban areas, in towns, right? Because on a highway, due to the excessive speed, your safety distance has to be increased. Not so. And if the road is wet, like it's raining, you need to add it again because when roads are wet, braking distance is doubled. Not so. That is for the safety distance. I hope we've seen it so that tomorrow when we are in class, when we are talking on the board, it will be clear. Not so. Okay, good.